Alright, good morning. We have a 2005 SV650. And we have the WEIZE 360 cold cranking amp battery in here. Got a DC amp clamp on the negative lead, and it's set to 1 millivolt per amp output. I put the battery in the freezer overnight, which averages around -5 degrees Fahrenheit. We have a thermocouple under this foam block right here. And currently we're around 4 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 5 minutes since I got it out of the freezer or so. And ambient temperature in the garage is 66. And here's the scope set up to measure the voltage and current of the start. Failed to start. Here's what we got for the reading. So the yellow traces voltage, 2 volts per division, starting at the very bottom. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about 11 volts is where it was sitting at. And the current is 50 amps per division, 50 millivolts per division, and 1 amp per millivolt. So we got 50, 100, about 150 amps on that start that failed to happen. Running again. Actually, let's save this. So 64, okay. And run it again. Voltmeter showing about 10.7. And again, about 150 amps. And then after the initial start, it goes to about 100 amps. Hard copy that one as well. Folder 65. Alright, we're back again. It's been a few minutes. We'll let the battery warm up. It's showing about 23 degrees Fahrenheit now. Alright, I'm giving it a few more minutes. Now we're basically 30 degrees. Alright, it's been a few more minutes. 35 degrees-ish. Okay, back again at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, back to 45 degrees. Okay, back at 50 degrees. All right. Find it interesting the voltage is going down so low over here. That's 4 volts is where it's going down to once it fails to start. Hard copy. All right, we're back at 55 degrees ish. And just for reference, we did fully charge this battery before we froze it last night. All right, we kept a much higher voltage to that start, so we had success. Yay. 55 degrees. Okay. For intro, we have a 2005 SV650 Suzuki motorcycle. This is now with the NOCO NLP14 lithium battery. We have an amp clamp here that is reporting 1 millivolt per amp drawn through the negative battery lead. And then our voltage is being tapped off of these additional taps right off the battery terminals coming through this connector over here. Battery is about 3 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been in the freezer overnight, about 6 hours, 7 hours, something like that. Ambient temperature 67 degrees. And we have our scope set up. Failed to start. So voltage starts down here, the yellow line, 2 volts per division, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 volts. Drops down to about 4 volts. And then our current is the blue line. It's 1 amp per millivolt, 50 millivolts per division. So 50, 100, 150, 200 amps, 220 probably. Drops down. And then it's about 200 amps. Or 150 amps, 170 amps in there. And just for clarity, this is a K-type thermocouple. It's taped down to the battery underneath the big foam block to try to get the temperature of the battery versus the ambient. We're up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Sorry, and the shop temp is 67 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, there you have it. The NOCO at 20 degrees Fahrenheit was able to start the bike.